Welcome to our channel. Today we're taking you on a journey to explore the top 5 must-visit countries in Asia. From bustling cities to serene landscapes, Asia is a continent brimming with diverse cultures, incredible food, and unforgettable experiences. Get ready to immerse yourselves in the vibrant tapestry of Asia as we reveal hidden gems and iconic landmarks that will leave you breathless. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first adventure, this list has something for everyone. So pack your bags, grab your adventurous spirit, and let's dive into the wonders that await in these captivating Asian countries.
Japan, an archipelago nation in East Asia, is a land of captivating contrasts. From the neon-lit streets of Tokyo to the serene temples of Kyoto, Japan offers a unique blend of modern marvels and ancient traditions. Picture yourself strolling through bamboo forests, witnessing the grace of a traditional tea ceremony and indulging in the artistry of Japanese cuisine. From sushi and ramen to wagyu beef and matcha desserts, Japan is a culinary paradise. But beyond its culinary delights, Japan is also home to breathtaking natural beauty. Explore the majestic Mount Fuji, wander through colorful flower fields, and relax in traditional onsen or hot springs. With its efficient transportation system, welcoming locals, and fascinating culture, Japan is a must-visit destination that will leave a lasting impression.
Thailand, known as the Land of Smiles, captivates visitors with its warm hospitality, stunning beaches, and ancient temples. From bustling Bangkok to tranquil islands, Thailand offers diverse experiences. Explore the majestic Grand Palace, get lost in Ayutthaya's ancient ruins, or relax on Phuket's pristine beaches. Enjoy scuba diving, rock climbing, and jungle trekking. Thai food is a sensory delight, from spicy curries to street food. With friendly locals and endless adventures, Thailand leaves you wanting more.
India, a land of vibrant colors, rich history, and diverse cultures, is a destination that will ignite your senses. From the Taj Mahal's architectural grandeur to the bustling streets of Mumbai, India offers a kaleidoscope of experiences. Explore ancient forts and palaces, witness colorful festivals like Holi and Diwali, and immerse yourself in the spiritual heart of India at Varanasi's Ghats. India is also a land of culinary wonders, with each region boasting its own unique flavors and traditions. From aromatic curries and fluffy naan bread to spicy street food and sweet desserts, Indian cuisine is a journey for your taste buds. Don't miss out on trying a traditional thali, a platter that showcases the diversity of Indian flavors. With its rich history, vibrant culture, and incredible food, India is a destination that will stay with you long after you've left.
Vietnam, a country of breathtaking landscapes and rich history, offers a captivating blend of experiences. From the bustling streets of Hanoi to the serene waters of Ha Long Bay, Vietnam is a feast for the senses. Explore the ancient temples of Hue, cruise through the picturesque Mekong Delta, and discover Phong Nha, Ke Bang National Park. Experience the energy of Ho Chi Minh City and the history at the Cu Chi tunnels. Vietnam is a destination that should be on every traveler's bucket list. Indonesia, the world's largest archipelago, is a paradise of over 17,000 islands, each with its own unique charm. From the volcanic landscapes of Bali to the orangutans of Borneo, Indonesia offers an unparalleled diversity of experiences. Surf world-class waves in Bali, dive into the crystal-clear waters of Raja Ampat, and trek through the lush rainforests of Sumatra. Indonesia is also home to a rich culture with ancient temples, traditional dances, and vibrant festivals. Indulge in the flavors of Indonesian cuisine, from nasi goreng and satay to rendang and gado-gado. Each dish is a celebration of fresh ingredients and aromatic spices. With its stunning natural beauty, rich culture, and warm hospitality, Indonesia is a destination that will leave you in awe. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the wonders of Asia. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the tranquil beaches of Thailand, Asia offers a tapestry of unforgettable experiences. Whether you're drawn to ancient history, vibrant culture, or mouth-watering cuisine, there's a destination in Asia waiting to be discovered. So start planning your adventure today and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel inspiration. See you in the next video.